that point where you are so close to finishing something, but it feels like the hardest thing to complete? That's where I'm at right now. I finished 3 of the 4 courses that were left for my JavaScript certification, and now the last thing I need to do is this course about creating this video game. But not only is this a whole course about this video game, it has 100 steps in it that I need to complete. To be exact, 117. Funny, because when I first started this journey, I did not see myself ever getting to this point. I remember back when I didn't even know what a variable was. I couldn't even declare it. And right now, I'm about to build this pretty cool game. That exactly is what today is about. This last course is about this platformer game that I get to create. And then after that, we have 5 more projects to complete, and we will be receiving that JavaScript certification. When I look back at where I started, I still remember watching those tutorials not understanding anything. I'd stare at the screen for hours thinking, there's no way I'm built for this, but somehow I kept showing up. People always say consistency matters, but you don't really understand what that means until you're doing something for months and still wondering if it's working. So finishing 3 courses and potentially getting down this last one might not seem like a lot to other people, but to me, that is proof I did not quit. And it shows me step by step that I am almost there to getting my certification. So this is where the fun begins. The platformer project, the goal is simple: create a little character that can jump across platforms and reach the goal. Every line of code feels like a puzzle piece. Sometimes they fit right away, sometimes you spend hours wondering why the gravity won't work. And it's crazy because I spent around 45 minutes just to go and complete this course. There was even a point 10 minutes went by because I was missing a semicolon. That's the thing about learning JavaScript, man. It humbles you real quick. Still, there's this weird joy in seeing something come to life, even if it's just a box jumping on the screen. So around about 30 minutes, I ended up hitting that wall. I just couldn't figure out what the hell was going on. I even started questioning if I even understood what I was doing. And that is when imposter syndrome ends up hitting. And I know y'all know that feeling. Like, you've been coding for months and you still feel like you don't belong in this world. But that is also what makes this process so real. Every developer, shoot, every person who's chasing something in life goes through this doubt, this comparison, frustration, the silence, just to understand this piece of code where it's just you and the code. I realized this project isn't about finishing a game, it's about finishing me. The version of me that didn't think she could do this. After hours of debugging and testing, it finally worked. Yes, it is a very small project. It's just a square block that is jumping around. A platform just pops up, you hop on, hop off, nothing crazy, something very basic. But it is proof that I can build something from nothing. Every little project gets me closer to that certification and closer to being a real developer. That is now 4 courses down. What we have left is 5 projects, and I will be taking you along each one until we get this JavaScript certification. When I started this certification, I just wanted to learn how to code. And now what I'm learning is that I know how to keep promises to myself. So this game might be simple, but it's so much bigger to me. It means I'm still here, that I'm still trying to be what I told myself I was gonna be. Next episode, I will be starting my first project out of 5 to be able to go and get this JavaScript certification. And so if you've ever been so close to giving up, don't. Because I had my ups and downs, man, and we are right there to where I said I was gonna be at this time. Even though your version might look a little bit different, trust me, it is still worth finishing. So in the next episode, in the next part, y'all will be seeing that project coming to life and being completed. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love every single one of y'all. Make sure y'all end up leaving a like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, and also share that video. Turn on the post notifications. Thank y'all for watching, man. Deuces.